question 1.1.5, a 4-mark question over here is usually some sort of restriction. So what we have is an x over here and an x over here, and that's why at the end of this whole thing we're going to have to plug our values back in to see which one doesn't work. Usually one of them don't work. So what we have is this square root here, and what we have to do is take our x over to this side. We do this because we are trying to unhat our square root. We do that by squaring both sides and just putting a bracket around this side here, the x plus 2. We don't square them individually. So after we've squared this side, we drop the square root over here, and what we do is the SMS method, or we do our FOIL by doubling our brackets. Therefore we get x squared, x times 2 is 2x, times 2 is 4x, and then positive 2 times positive 2 is positive 4 over here. At this stage we can take it all to one side. We take it to the side where the x squared is originally positive, just so that we don't have to divide by a negative, or that we have it in our standard form. From there we have simplified the values as far as they can, like this plus 4 and this negative 2, which becomes a positive 2, which gives us a positive 6. The positive 4 here and the positive 4 there, they just disappear. At this stage we don't have a normal trinomial, but we do have a binomial, and then we can take a common x out of these two things. When we take an x out, we have x in one location and we have x plus 6 in the bracket over here. Therefore x equals 0 or x equals negative 6 is the answer we would have. But if we plug our 0 back into this equation, that makes the statement true. But if we plug our negative 6 back in, it will not equal the same value on both sides. If we plug negative 6 over here, it will not equal 2 on this side.